It's called pimping your ride. Ekasi style. Too lazy to walk to your car? Now you can get it to drive to you by remote control. These three enthusiasts are known as the White Wall Boys, and they're taking their love for all things on four wheels to a whole new gear.
It started off with games. Obviously, your mother used to buy you that car, that remote car that you used to control it. Then you say, how about doing the same thing, but something that's outside the box?
They also pimp up old collectibles like this classic 1970s Butte. Die-hard customers who keep coming back say it's hard to put on the brakes.
No, it's just to give it that personalized look for that uniqueness of the cars, and the smooth riding, the beauty of the old cars.
These four wheels are far from being your luxury Lamborghinis, but with the added upgrade and a press of a button, this lean machine is sure to turn heads. So let's take it for a spin. Nontabego Specie, Motlakeng, Randfontein.
News that moves. ENCA.com.